Flora Material Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of users' home screens by providing a collection of beautifully crafted material design icons. This app is particularly appealing to those who wish to personalize their devices with a floral-inspired theme, featuring vibrant colors and stylish designs that can refresh the overall look of the interface. Key features typically include a wide array of high-definition icons for various applications, ensuring that nearly all apps on a user's device can be customized. The Flora Material Icon Pack often emphasizes consistency in design, allowing for a cohesive and visually pleasing appearance across all icons. Additionally, the app usually provides easy installation and application options, often compatible with popular Android launchers, making it simple for users to apply the icon pack without technical difficulties. Some versions may also include options for wallpaper pairing, enhancing the entire theme of the device. Overall, Flora Material Icon Pack serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to express their personal style and creativity through their Android device, offering a unique and artistic way to upgrade their home screen experience.